All right. We're live. Looking for shorts on Euro US dollar. I have sent out the market outlook in my Discord. If you want to have those market outlooks every morning, well, join the Discord. It's in the link below. In the description, in the link below. All right. All right. Now market slowly is pushing up. What we want to see from EU is that we take out this resistance, that we wait for 1 minute entry confirmations to go short if the market wants to present us a trade. We never know for sure, and the outcome of the trade always will be random. I will sharing my exact setup in the VIP, in the Discord. But yeah, looking good. And if you got any questions, well, obviously drop it in the chat. I'm happy to answer all of your questions. Quite easy. Now again, it's waiting, as usually. Patience is key, as always. We don't want to burn our capital too soon, so we wait for all the confirmations to line up, but this setup looks so darn clean. We have a huge ass area of support over here. So many buyers went in on longs. This is where we want to wreck them. At least I'm not so sure if the market wants to go all the way down below, but what we need is a 1 to 2 risk to reward, 20 pips-ish for the entry. That's all we need. Right, GU also looks nice. Only issue with GU is it tapped into this supply, and the supply has resistance on top, meaning this is a potential trap area. But as well on GU, we can see that there is just loads of liquidity down below, and I wouldn't be surprised if price just wants to grab that liquidity before we head up into new areas to look for potential longs again. It's also interesting what will happen with the government shutdown in the US. All the news data, look, there we go. All right. All the news data will be probably delayed. We have unemployment claims, NFP tomorrow, but we can expect choppy price action because, yeah, if there's a government shutdown, all the government, how do you say it? Departments, all the government departments are not working. So yeah, it will be very interesting to see. Last time we had it was in 2018. I remember with Trump as well. So yeah, very interesting to see what will happen on that side of things. Right, pushing up, we have taken out this trend line. So those early sellers are already wrecked, but potentially they have their stop loss above these highs. So yeah, they're probably still in the trade. This is where they have the stop loss. Look, market is coming up as expected. Want to grab this liquidity. I will move slowly into the lower time frames to check where we can enter from if we find an entry. If the market just wants to push higher, well, that's fine with me. I really couldn't care too less. What's the DXY doing? Same time, also pushing down. Look at that liquidity on the DXY as well. It's so obvious. Jumping it into the 1 minute price action. Let's see if we can catch an entry. Let's see. We have taken no trades on the funded yet this week, so this would be the first one, but that's all what patience is about. Look how it's hunting all those resistance traders. Beautiful, just beautiful. right? We have our sweep, but I need something of an, something like this. This sweep is surely not enough. It's just a minor wick above. But we need a bearish candle. Would be very nice. I think we will push up a bit more. We just have to stay patient. We need those entry confirmations. Now we have all the confirmations for the trade setup, for the trade idea, but honestly we also need confirmations for the entry. This is how we get a higher win rate instead of reckless entries, because those will sometimes give you some profits, but sometimes unnecessary losses. That's not what we want. This is what I love to see. No worries. I'm no FOMOing. If the market goes without me, that's fine. I couldn't care to less. GU stays a little bit sideways. We can see that EU have swept just beautiful, whilst GU is still here, but let's see what happens next. Put an alert on DXY as well. You want to be notified when something is happening. Let's get it. Yes, absolutely, let's get it. Remind you, this sweep is not enough. It's a sweep. We have taken out the liquidity, but it's not enough for me. Again, if you got any questions, put them in the comment section. Danny, let's go. Let's see if we can print some money this morning. I'm going on holiday next Monday. Let's see if we can have all the expenses paid with this trade. That would be sick. If not, no worry at all. There's a thing called Asian high sellers and Asian low buyers. What strategy are you using? I'm trading mainly just liquidity, but what I'm mainly doing is I go against the majority. I know for a matter of fact that there are so many buyers in, so I want to target all those buyers. So my strategy is about understanding other strategies, and when you understand other strategies and you have a narrative about the market, meaning structure, meaning supply, meaning resistance, trend lines, Fibonacci, smart money concepts, I go against all of them. But I use all those strategies to my advantage. It's pretty easy if you understand it. It's pretty simple. But yeah, you have to understand the basics first. That's very important. So yeah, Asian high sellers should be induced as well. So that's nice. We have ourselves a little BOI over here. What I want to see from that area later on is that I want to see price action coming into that area. I want to see a good wick up. Then I want to see an inducement and then potentially go short. But it's looking A+. The setup already is A+. The setup is already A+. What's DXY doing? Melting. All right, that's good. That's solid. This is what we want to see. Aggressive price action. Five minute and 15 minute looks good as well. Remind you, this is the beauty of trading. We can have an A+ setup, we can all the confirmations aligned, but the outcome of the trade will always be random. It could be a loss, break even, win. And this is what you need to understand, right? So either way, if we get a reaction from this area, a little push up and a breakdown, I'm going to enter. If we don't get it, I just will be entering straight off here. It's pretty easy. Okay, we have a reaction. I would love to see a little bit of a push up right now to induce those buyers. I will notify the VIP when I got in. YouTube has a little bit of a delay, so in the VIP you get the exact entry. VIP, you can just go into the description, you can enter over there, pretty easy. This is what I want to see, a little bit of a push up. If the markets decide to push down, we're going to enter. Share it with the VIP right now. Two phones ready to execute on the trades. I'm going always entering market execution on my trades. This can, give me a little bit of slippage, but I'm fine with that, to be honest. We have to understand that, this would be nice as well. 2.9 pips, 3 pips-ish, all good. The push up would be nice as well. I'm happy with it, easy going. How's the 5 minute looking? It's okay. It's okay. All right, almost at entry. Eyes on the price, team, eyes on the price. Full focus. So call it, about the strategy. It's a strategy that I build on my own. I've used many different strategies. I did many mentorships, one-on-one mentorships to learn everything about the markets. But it's something it's not widely traded because all the main strategies, you have to understand that 90% of traders lose money. All right, focus, folks. There we go. All right, I'm entering. Stop loss in. Right. Notifying the team. Little bit of slippage as usual, well that's fine, no worries. Now let's see. Might take profit in. 1 to 2 risk to reward fixed. Let's see if she wants to melt. I think we can see a little bit more of a push up, but who knows? Who knows? We have some space. We have a 10 pip stop loss, so well, anything can happen. We do have a liquidity high over here, but well, let's see. Let's see. So as you can see, what I'm doing, I'm entering off the potential trap, right? We have, I mean, this is not a solid entry, but people are entering from these areas. You have to understand, as well as breakout traders from the resistance, right? If we break out of a resistance, buyers will enter on longs. Now we have those traders in, but now we have also the break and retest traders in. So yeah, interesting to see that, buyers, those are the last buyers to go. And yeah, I will be surprised if we don't take them out at the minimum. Right. Right, team, now it's up to the market. Yeah, pretty easy. It's out of our control right now. The only thing we can do is manage it as good as we can do. I will go live anytime soon in the VIP, leaving this stream to manage it with the VIP to see, if we can manage it well, because management is very important. With protecting your capital, we always need to make sure we're protecting capital. It's key. Make sure we have as less losses as possible, because that's how we keep the most amount of money in our pockets. We were waiting since Monday for a nice trade. Finally, we have a nice A+ setup. I wouldn't be surprised if the DXY wants to take out this area, because, well, obviously this is an area of support. All right. There we go. All right, I will be ending the stream. The entry was there. I will go live in my VIP. If you want to join, I put a link down in the description. I'm going to manage it together with the VIP to see what we can achieve, but it looks pretty solid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on to my next stream, which will be tomorrow morning, and let's see if we can catch something else. Thanks for watching, thanks for being here, subscribe to my channel, appreciate it, big time, and see you inside my Discord. Cheers.